This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Bruya Bas Chananya, Maseches Peah, Perek Dalid, Mishnayos Aleph. Chayrei hanemolim shebesecha kama, kernels of grain that are found in antholes in a standing field, meaning in a field that they didn't yet begin harvesting. So the halacha is that arei hein shel ba'al habayis, they belong to the owner. And the reason is because the whole halacha of leket only goes into effect once they begin harvesting the field. The Mishnah continues, Shala achar hakeitzrim, if it's found in antholes in a field that they already began harvesting, and it's explained that in such a case it doesn't matter where the antholes are, whether they're in the section of the field that's already been harvested or the section of the field that they didn't harvest yet, because the ants can bring the kernels from one section of the field to the other section. So over here we have an argument. The Tanna Kama says ha'olyenim la'aniyim, the upper ones belong to the poor, and it's explained that the upper ones mean the ones that are fully ripened, and they belong to the poor because we say that it's possible that they're from the section of the field that's already harvested, and it fell to the side and it's like it, and the ants brought it to the anthole. And the lower ones belong to the balabayas, to the owner of the field, and it's explained that by the lower ones, it means the ones that are still green, they're not yet ripe, because then we say they didn't come from the field after it was ready for harvesting, because the field only became ready for harvesting once everything was ripened. So if this is an unripened kernel, we say that it probably fell before the harvesting began, when the field was not yet ripe, and so it belongs to the balabayas, because before the harvesting, the halacha of leket did not yet go into effect. And Rabbi Meir says, Hakoil la'aniyim, everything belongs to the poor, whether the kernels are ripe or not. And the reason is, shesfeik leket, when there's a question, there's a suffix, there's a doubt whether something is leket, it is considered leket. And so therefore, even if it's a green kernel, it's not yet ripe, we say that even in a ripened field that's ready for harvesting, there are some kernels that are not yet ripe. And so it's possible that this kernel is from the field after they began harvesting, from the section that they harvested, and it's leket. And therefore, because of this, all of the kernels that are in the antholes are leket.